Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Softext. In this video, I will tell you how can we convert our LaTeX code into our Overleaf document. So let's start. Here I have two files. One file is in zip file, RAR file, and one is in my notepad file. So in this video, I will tell you two options in which you can upload your LaTeX code into your Overleaf account. There are two ways. The first way is from a WinRAR file and the second way is from a notepad file. So I will tell you both of the ways in this video. So first of all, I will go to my Google Chrome and I have just logged in into my Overleaf account, and now I will tell you how can we upload our LaTeX code through our zip file. This zip file contains my LaTeX code. So the first way is that how can we upload our zip file of our LaTeX code into the Overleaf account. So let's start. Here I will log into my Overleaf account. Then I will simply click on new project, and then we will select the third option, which is upload project. Then here I will click on select a zip file, and now here I will select that zip file in which my LaTeX code is there. So I have saved it on our desktop. So this one, click on your .zip file. Here one thing that I want to tell you is that there are two file extensions, which is .zip file and .rar file. You need to know that your file must be in .zip extension. If your file is in .rar extension, then it will not upload in your Overleaf. So your file must contain the extension of .zip. Open. Alright, so the file of the LaTeX code has been uploaded in our Overleaf account following the first method, which was from a zip file to Overleaf account. So I have directly upload my zip file into my Overleaf account, and the document has been converted into our LaTeX code. Okay, so now I will tell you that how can we upload our LaTeX code by using the second method, which is from notepad file to directly to the Overleaf account. So I will simply open the introduction file, which is in notepad. Now I will simply select all the code by pressing Ctrl A, and I will copy it by pressing Ctrl C. Then simply I will go to the Overleaf account, and now here I will click on the new project, then click on the blank project. Then I will name a file which is intro part 2, because I have already a file which is named by introduction. Now I will rename the file create. Now I have created a blank project in our Overleaf account, and simply in that blank file, in that blank project, I will simply uh, copy paste the code by using Ctrl plus V, and now I will recompile the document, and the LaTeX code is converted into my Overleaf account. So you can see here. Alright, so I have shown you the two ways to upload a LaTeX code or to convert a LaTeX code into your Overleaf document. Simply you need to create an Overleaf account first. Then if you have a LaTeX code in your notepad file, then you can simply use my second method, which is copy and paste method. And if you don't have your notepad file and you have a zip file, then you can simply upload a project by using my first method, and you can upload your zip file into your Overleaf account and you will directly open your LaTeX file into your Overleaf account. So I hope that this video will be useful for those people who want to upload your LaTeX code or convert your LaTeX code into your Overleaf document. So thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye.